Howdy folks, today we're looking at the Rustic Wooden Shed 6x4. This is the most affordable shed in the wooden range. It's 4 foot wide, 6 foot deep and made with 10mm overlapping board. We'll have a look at we'll ignore the handsome man in the reflection there and we'll have a look at the back of the sheds. The apex up top is 7 foot tall and all sheds come with that one window as standard. The handsome man in the reflection isn't included. You can see the hinges and lock and clasps around the door there, and it's got a bolt lock that's supports a padlock. Inside you can see the other side of the 10mm board. So all our boards are nailed down, they're not staples. You can see the space inside here isn't huge, but this is the smallest shed in the range that we offer as standard. We can customise this to meet your needs anyway. Here's a closer look at those overlapping boards. Now these are liable to damp, so I wouldn't go storing anything like electronics or important documents in a rustic shed. You'd want to go for at least a deluxe wooden shed at the very least. So as I said, all our wooden sheds are built to order. We can make this one up as you want it. But as it is, this is the most basic model that we offer. See it and all the other options available on shedsdirectireland.com now.